Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with an Ashadi Ekadashi special recipe. We will be seeing how to prepare a Konkani sweet madgani. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients which we require would be half cup of chana dal, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder, few cashew nut, few raisin. You can add any other dry fruits of your preference. 1 cup of thick coconut milk, 1 cup of jaggery syrup, 1 tablespoon of rice powder or rice flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. Firstly, to begin with, wash and soak the chana dal for minimum 2 hours before further use. Once your chana dal is soaked well, transfer this into a pressure cooker and add 1 cup of water into it. Pressure cook this until the chana dal is cooked well, or you can even pressure cook this for about 3 to 4 whistles in low to medium flame. In the meantime, take a tadka pan and add the ghee into it. Once the ghee is hot enough, transfer the cashew nut and raisin into it and ghee roast this until they turn golden brown. Next, take the rice powder or rice flour and add 1/4 cup of water into it. Mix this well and make sure there are no lumps formed in it. You can even alternatively add maida or cornstarch instead of this because we are using the rice powder or rice flour as a thickening agent. Once the pressure is completely released, open the pressure cooker and we can see that the chana dal is well cooked. Next, into this, add the salt and turmeric powder and give this a good mix. Now into this, add the jaggery syrup and the coconut milk and mix this well. Allow this to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame. Once your madgani starts boiling, add the rice powder which we had previously mixed with water into this. Allow this to cook until the madgani turns a little thick and add the elaichi powder. Mix this well and switch off the flame once the desired consistency is achieved. Now add the previously ghee roasted dry fruits and now your delicious madgani is ready. So do try this recipe during this Ashadi Ekadashi and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.